Okay, in this video, we're going to continue on with looking at budgets, and we're going to look at finding our net monthly cash flow. Problem 5, the income and expenses of an individual are given in the table below. Find the net monthly cash flow, which means how much money we have coming in or going out at the end of the month. Salaries and wages are after taxes. Assume 1 month equals 4 weeks. So we have two parts to a budget. We have money coming in, our income, and money going out, our expenses. Some of the information that we have is given to us as monthly expenses or income, and some of the numbers that we're given are given as a yearly basis or maybe as a weekly basis, and we need to change all of this to be monthly. So over here in the income part of the problem, I have $700 that I get from a part-time job per month, and my college fund is $300 per month from my parents, and my scholarship is $6,000 a year. So if I took $6,000 divided by 12, that would give me my monthly income of $500. So that's $1,500 that we have coming in every month. Now, how much money do we have going out? Well, rent is $450 a month. Groceries are $40 a week, and we are told that 1 month is 4 weeks. So we're going to have 40 times 4. So that's $160 a month for groceries. Now, tuition and fees says $2,400 twice a year. So that means every 6 months. So we're going to take that $2,400 divided by 6. So that's $400 per month. Now, sometimes you will be given a problem that says semi-annually. That means the same thing as twice a year. Incidentals are $120 per week. So if I want to figure out how much that is for the month, I'm going to take 120 and multiply it by 4. So there's 4 weeks in a month. When I add this together, I get $1,490. Now, to figure out my net monthly cash flow, I take income minus expenses. Be sure that you're always having the income first. It's not necessarily always going to be the bigger number. In this case, it is. So here we're going to end up with $10 left over at the month. But on some of the problems in the homework, you're going to actually have a negative cash flow. So be sure you're subtracting in the right order. Income first, and then minus expenses. Problem 6 is very similar to problem 5. We are looking at prorating these expenses. So if I'm given this information here of $5,000 per year, I'm going to take this $5,000 divided by 12. I'll take this $3,000 divided by 12. This $3,000 over here for tuition and fees is twice a year. So that means that I'm paying it every 6 months. So I'm going to have to divide that by 6. Now, groceries are $60 a week, so I need to multiply that 60 times 4 in order to get my monthly expense. Now that we have figured out our income and expenses for the month, we can subtract the two. Notice that I left this income as rounded to the nearest penny. I'm going to wait until the end to round to the nearest dollar. So my final answer is $147.